All right. So James is back. We had to retrofit the drawer a little bit because when we shut the door, the side of it ran into the screw there.
An offensive screw on the screen door.
Exactly, very offensive screw. Have you had offensive screws before? Don't answer that. So we retrofitted. He fixed it a little bit, and we're gonna try to fit and see if it works.
And here we go.
And here we go. The moment of truth. It's not super easy to get in, is it?
No, it's because it's a big drawer.
I know.
Your wife wanted a big drawer,
yep.
So
she likes them big. Yeah, we wanted it to extend all the way, obviously. How's your day going?
Mine is going good, really good.
Good.
The weather's awesome.
I went to Subaru to try to find out about a window replacement, and they won't replace the windshield unless it has a. There's been a recall on those windshields at Subaru, but unless it has like a hairline crack in it, they won't replace it. And mine only just has rock chips in it, but it has an extra 60,000 miles to go. And if it does get one within that 100,000 miles, then I get a free replacement. So.
Well, doesn't your insurance cover like?
Yeah, I can pay a deductible and get it replaced, but that's like $500.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, you might as well get the, wait then.
Yep. How much did you have to cut off? Like 1/8 inch?
Like
or
you said,
something?
1/4 inch.
Quarter. Okay.
Yeah, 1/4 to nothing.
All right. Shut that, and then we'll open it and see, and make sure it clears. Looks like we have clearance all the way out and back in. Wow, it looks like it's gonna hit, but it's like, you know what I mean? It's like got a hair of clearance, which is nice. It's a butt hair of clearance, but man, it's enough. That's awesome. You want to see? James always likes to check it out to make sure his customers are happy.
Yeah.
It looks like it's going to hit, huh? But then it doesn't.
No, it's and you can't force it over to hit either.
Exactly, that's what I tried to do.
Yeah, the big thing was.
And I pulled it out all the way, and it still doesn't rub on anything on the screen door.
When you want a 2, well, they come in pairs, the drawer slides.
Right.
And you want a 2 was a really good idea. Because on YouTube, I saw they had one drawer had 1, and it was too typical.
You saw somebody on YouTube with this same kind of thing?
Not with this, but on a regular cabinet in the kitchen.
Because I'm like the only one, I think, that I know of that has that and the pull-out pantry. And that's awesome. We're good to go.
You asked. We delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wiseley and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join. And don't forget to get your Sprecko merchandise at the Sprecko shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wiseley. We love you.
James says that with every purchase, you get a free table. So this is like, what, in your words, what's the function of this table basically?
This is kind of a table where it's like near the front door, so you can sit and take your shoes off.
Nice. Inside or outside?
Yeah, either way. Mine's outside.
Okay.
So I can take my shoes off before I get in the house.
Nice.
And I make them just out of scraps from construction material.
That's cool. I love that.
This is a one-piece Monterey cypress on top.
Oh, that's cypress? I love the knots in there. That was really cool.
Yeah.
Dude, there's no way I'm not taking this. Come on.
I left it unfinished, so you could experiment with finishes if you want.
Right.
Or just leave it. The legs are made out of leftover redwood pieces that I tapered and put together.
Is this like pine or what is this?
That's pine.
Okay.
The legs are redwood.
Redwood, pine, and cypress.
And then on the bottom, there's a little bonus.
Oh.
I usually glue something like a postcard in the bottom.
That's really cool.
Or sign it or something like that.
It's like a Frankenstein table, right? You got 3 different woods going on.
Franken table.
Franken table.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's really rather sad, I guess, in life to ponder death. For once you're gone, you cannot touch or even take a breath. But when you're gone, I'll feel the loss, and I'll become the loser. No more concern of changing roles, you the saint or me the user. Oh, I'm a lonely man with a broken spirit, but no one knows, no one can hear it. Now you're gone, no words to say. Death has came and took you away. And as your soul goes to its place and ponders at my sorrow, I'll struggle with these daily things, no better off tomorrow. I could say that I'll get by and make it through somehow, but the words will ring as empty then as the thoughts are seeming now. Oh, I'm a lonely man with a broken spirit, but no one knows, no one can hear it. Now you're gone, no words to say. Death has came and took you away. Someone is watching us to record the love and hurt, and stand with tears upon their face when you're placed beneath the dirt. But when you're gone, no one will know the things that made us one, and I alone will hold the thoughts that I could share with none. Oh, I'm a lonely man with a broken spirit, but no one knows, no one can hear it. Now you're gone, no words to say. Death has came and took you away.